Wrap is amazing. 4 S1000 RR today. This S1000 RR tire blows up. So left side is a beautiful Chopra river. Weather is good. Oh man. The beauty about Thailand. 100 km out of Bangkok, you can find this beautiful nature. So this is Lamborghini edition Street Fighter V4 Ducati. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Super expensive cycle, this one. Yeah, so this is the place. This is the famous park. Yay! Welcome back to Kapdroid, and today is great day because today is riding day. And as you can see that today a lot of people here in the meeting point, and we are almost 18 plus rider. We are going to one cafe. Beautiful bikes you can see here. These beautiful bikes, right? And this wrap is amazing. This is Diavel, the old Diavel, and this guy did amazing comic looking wrap. Z900 6R, and this is beautiful V4S, and this is Z900 Street Triple. Yeah, today have actually beautiful lineups. Oh, this is automatically adjust. Oh, it moves. Wow, nice.
To put it on the stand, you have to do that like that for the luggage.
Happy birthday, bro! Belated happy birthday.
Thank you, man.
Okay, so this is Roberto's bike. So this is another S1000 RR. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 S1000 RR today. TIV has a lot of S1000 RR. This is R1, beautiful. Yeah, this beautiful lineup. There's a CBR, Fireblade. Oh, let's go, guys. Oh, beautiful helmet. Showy. Yeah, this one. And you are leading, right?
Huh?
You are leading, right?
No, you can guys can lead.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Actually, this is very important, you know, this one, because my phone is using this is Android Auto and is getting too hot, and this is actually good for cooling down the phone. Okay, this one, right? Oh man, it's too loud. It's too loud. And full system titanium S1000 RR. It's too loud. Okay, let's start the ride. Yeah, today is good day, and we are almost 18 riders today. Yeah, this is actually the Terminal 21. If you're coming to Bangkok to visit, you should come here. There is a good mall. The food is very good. So left side is the beautiful Chopra river. You can see here. Oh, I can also see the moon. Beautiful day today. But the boy is not coming. His S1000 RR tire blows up. I don't know how. So yeah, let's go. Oh, this is also a beautiful bike, Street Fighter. You guys can go fast, right? Today is supposed to be Roberto's birthday ride, but he is not joining. Man. Let's go, guys. see Ganesha and Shiva Parvati. And this is pretty much straight road, no twisties. 56 kilometers to go. Yeah, we almost came to this cafe, beautiful location. You can see this is the bit part of twisties. That's it. The whole road was pretty much straight road, but it is very fast road. Like if you want to ride fast on the highway, then it is good for you. Hi, this is beautiful back roads, right? Great that today's weather is good. Oh man. This is beautiful, right? This is beautiful. I can see a beautiful Buddha on the hill. Wow. So this is actually Ratchaburi. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. This is the beauty about Thailand. If you are traveling 100 kilometers out of Bangkok, you can find this beautiful nature. Wow. Whoa, this is a good road. Straight, small hills, Buddha, right side, amazing valley. Wow, this feels like I'm in North, man. I never been on this road. This is so scenic. I love it. Love this day. Whoa. Oh, I think I missed a turn. I missed the turn actually. I was doing vlogging and I was actually mesmerized with this amazing beauty. Okay. Okay, this is Ganghan Cafe. I have been here, I guess. No, not sure. No, I don't think so. Beautiful cafe. Whoa, all bikes looks beautiful, man. I can hear the tri-clutch sound. This is a beautiful lineup, right? This is a beautiful looking bikes here. All the beautiful sports bike you can see here. And this is my bike. CBR S1000RR, beautiful looking. This is SP edition, I think. This Lamborghini, wow, beautiful looking, right? Undertale exhaust with Street Fighter V4, yes, and BMW, and this is beautiful. Africa Twin, nice. So this is the beauty about Thailand, right? If you're coming here 100 kilometer out of Bangkok, you can get beautiful location like this, and this is actually very Instagrammable. Actually all the cafes in Thailand are very Instagrammable, otherwise people will not come here because people like Instagrams, TikToks, right? Yeah, so let's go inside. Yeah, it's a beautiful view, man. The boys are chilling here, and this is actually amazing place, man. So the back side you can see this, there is a beautiful Buddha on the hill, and yeah, nice place, man. And the place actually they build little bit of European style. Yeah, you can see the windmill there, and there is a beautiful rice field, and some, I think they had wedding ceremony or something. And as you can see here, this beautiful rice field that side. Yeah, and Buddha. Beautiful, right? Now a bit hungry and thirsty as well. Need coffee. Let's go, man. Oh, this is pure European style they have built here. Windmill, beautiful looking. The good part about Thailand cafes is super fancy, man. They have a lot of good cafes, beautiful cafes here. Nice. Now I'm having pad thai. Pad thai looking good. You can see here. It's very good looking pad thai. This is the clean food I can get here. But pad thai is not healthy, but it's good, better.
Because the thing is not good, just keep it like stay in
Yeah. Oh man. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So I can see few cyclists here. Nice. Actually, I'm missing my cycling. I have cycled, right? If you anyone knows, I'm also cyclist actually. I used to do cycling in the Skyline, so I can see beautiful cycles here. It's all expensive, beautiful cycle. Colnago, I can see here one beautiful looking. See, this is super expensive cycle. This one, beautiful looking. They are cyclists here. Nice man. I need to start actually. I can see one Scott. Scott is also very good brand. I think American brand. So this one, beautiful looking. Yeah, I need to start again, man. Maybe from next year. That is my resolution. Doing more cycling for fitness. Beautiful lineup, right? I love this. So this is Lamborghini edition Street Fighter V4 Ducati. Beautiful looking, right? It's Lamborghini logo. Wow. I haven't seen this one in Bangkok. This lot of carbon you can see here. Beautiful carbon. This is carbon undertail, Accra exhaust. Beautiful looking. Lamborghini edition.
It's a nice one.
Wow.
With the
Guys, photo. Guys, photo together. Let's go.
Where we put
Yeah.
statue, right?
Yeah. There's a photo time. Yeah, so we'll take photo here. Nice. The stage, I think some marriage happened here, wedding.
Oh, it's you may kiss the bride.
This is beautiful. Nice view, man. Wow. Sadikap, here na.
Do a picture. YouTube.
Yay!
Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
So we are going to one park. I shared in the group. There's 9 minutes from here. It's beautiful. Yeah. So we'll go there. So yeah, let's go there. It's beautiful park actually. So I came last time with my Versus 1000. So this time I'm going with my half. Okay, half. Okay, half. Okay, guys. So let's go. देखे भाई Sorry. We are going that side. Definitely beautiful day today, and the weather is today amazing. Whew. Yeah, so this is the place, this is the famous park, and you can see the snake behind me. Guys, take one photo, guys, come. Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to Kapdroid, and please also follow Kapdroid Instagram account. So a lot of motovlogs, Thailand related motovlogs will come soon here. So yeah, see you next time with another vlog. Bye bye.